Oh, what's up, guys? It's Lizzie the Wolf here, and welcome back to another video. Yes, I did not get hacked. Don't worry about that. Do not click on random links from strangers. That's one thing I learned, and there's a bee in my face. Uh, so why am I talking this fast? Um, you see Katie here. Well, my sister, um, her channel kind of got hacked. Blizzard Rose got hacked. Yes, that's right. And that's because, well, because of my doing. Haha, sorry. Alright, great. So her new YouTube channel is, what is it again? It's what? I can barely hear you. Just say it. It's Little Husky Katie. Okay. Her channel is now called Little Husky Katie, and I think it's no longer about Gacha Life. I think it's about Roblox and Roblox only now. So so she's okay. So she's still gonna do Gacha stuff, but not as much, I'm guessing. I don't know. That's up to her. But like, you guys should go check out her channel and subscribe to her. It would mean a lot to me if you guys did. Because, I don't know. And there's a random person on her head. Well, whatever. So that's really all. Where are you going? Are you leaving me? Oh, and also join the giveaway for like, a normal king bee. If you guys want proof that I have another normal king bee that I would actually give away. That's right. It's one of these normal king bees. I don't really care which one. Um, so the giveaway ends at like. Ah, I dropped my phone. Ah, so the giveaway. So the giveaway. Oh my god, I was about to dial 911 by accident. My bad. Okay, so the giveaway ends at 100 subscribers. So make sure to share the giveaway video or whatever, and good day. But I'm not ending the video. And you could also help me make the Neon King bee, because why not? Yeah. That's basically all. And now you guys are just gonna watch me, get king bees to adults. And I think I might trade my ride king bee for a king bee and a ride potion. I also have a ride potion that I don't think I'm ever gonna use. So it's just gonna sit there in the back of my account. Maybe I'll give it away, I don't know. I'll think about it. Maybe at like 150 subs, I'll give it away. Not sure. But make sure to share this channel. And because I do want. Wow. Should I offer? Let me see if I could offer 4 king bees for. Oh. Huh?
That person is still in the game.
Who?
The one who said that they would give you a boss.
Oh, right here? The guy right here?
Yeah, I think
Yep. I think it's him. Is it Josh Games YT?
let me see.
123.
Yep.
Yep.
I'm on trial.
Do you want to find a trading server or something? Oh,
Yeah, sure. Then I'll start recording.
I got an
I
offer.
promise. Tomorrow is my day.
Your day?
Someone just said tomorrow is my day. Anybody have a neon wings that give people jobs?
I wonder what their offer is. I mean, they're probably gonna offer junk like they did last time. Alright, tell me when you find a trading server. Summer sale. Oh, Alyssa, we're also going to have to guess what? We are going to have to buy as much Aussie eggs as we can. And it's for a good reason. It's because dino eggs are coming in a few weeks. The dino eggs are coming out in a few weeks. That means Aussie eggs will go up in value. So I'm just gonna get a few of those, maybe 2 or 3, maybe more. Not sure.
How much sensitive you have?
Let me just see how much I got. Let me see. I just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just got 7. And including my other one, that's that.
I'm saying how much how much money do you have?
Well, I had like 7,000, and now I have 1,110. What did she say?
Her dream pet is a neon fly ride person, but he can't get any. He doesn't have any money to get rid of them.
Oh. How much Robux do you have anyway?
Like 70 something.
70 something? Didn't you have like 400 the other day?
The other, yeah.
Oh, you spent it on what?
Ride fly person.
How many did you get?
Quite a bit, and then I changed my avatar outfit, and
Oh.
then I just gave them away.
Wait, can I see them?
I told you I gave them away.
You gave them away?
Yes.
For real?
Yes.
I was about to offer good for them.
Well, I gave you one, so.
I mean, I offered for it.
I know.
Yeah. How many did you give away? Or are you just making this stuff up?
Why would I be making that stuff up? I had 400 and something.
That means you probably got 2 or 3.
Yeah.
Oh.
It wasn't that much.
Can I like step on her?
I gave one to Isabel, and I gave one to another person.
Oh, how I love jumping on children. Now we gotta jump on this person. They're running away. They're running away.
Okay, I'm gonna go find
I'm so mean for this. Give me your kangaroo. I want your kangaroo. Grim Reaper.
What is wrong?
Someone just sent me a someone just sent me a friend request. Was it you? Come back here! No, stop! Why are you running? Why are you running? Alyssa, the girl's on my head. Did you leave?
I think she just fell.
Did you leave the game? We have same tail. Oh, nice. I need to go find a trading server. Ahaha, I need to find a trading server. Goodbye, person. Okay. Okay, okay.
I found it.
I'm trying to find a trading server.
I too.
I think I found one. Let me try to join it. Oh, stupid Roblox. It is, where did you hang up? Yes. Gasp! You got it back. No, no, no. Where's the Oh, I need to poop. I need to poop. I really need to poop. Why? Alright then. Are you doing anything cool during the weekend? Oh, I think I'm going to the lake again. Rip. Num num. Did you find? Did you find? I found a bunch, and it's taking me forever too. And I need to use the bathroom. I need to use the bathroom. So entertain my fans and your fans while I'm gone. Well, entertain your non-existent fans.
Oh my god, the phone. The phone.
Ah, I mean, do you have ceiling? Yes, you do. You have fans.
No, I don't.
You have fans.
I don't have fans.
Look on the
Oh,
roof. Look on the roof, boy. Oh, I just got in a trading server once you said that. Yes.
yes.
And now I need to use the bathroom even more than I did before. So, entertain my fans. Entertain my fans and your ceiling fans.
I don't have a ceiling fan.
Uh,
Oh my god, on a training server at home.
let me see if mine is. Oh, everyone in this server is talking a different language.
This training server is not.
And this is not a trading server.
Oh my gosh, my screen is broken.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna record another day.
Oop.
I'm just gonna talk to you.
Can you
And
entertain?
entertain yourself.
Please do. I really need to go to the bathroom. I'm legit going to poop my pants if I don't go right now. Like, no joke. I mean, I felt like I had to say that. Okay, goodbye. Okay, fine.
Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear me. So, all I want to say is that it's all Lizzie's fault that I got banned and that she is a big poo-poo. And I, I'm just kidding. It's not her fault. I'm just really hyped right now. But yeah, the content I'm going to be having on my channel is probably going to be um like Gacha Club Golem, Gacha Life movies, and Gacha Life music videos and tutorials. And I'm going to be doing kind of similar stuff like Lizzie. I'm going to be doing giveaways and Roblox vids with her, and some other random stuff on Roblox. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing, and please subscribe to me. It would mean a lot. And it would mean a lot to Lizzie too. So, yeah, that's really all I have to say. As Lizzie is continuing to poop herself. um, and I don't know if you guys can hear me. Can you guys hear me? Wait, you can't respond, so I don't even know. All I'm gonna say is that I'm gonna be doing a lot of my YouTube channel, Blue Husky Katie, and it has a picture with a husky on it that says Lil Huskies, and the background is like purple and blue kinda. And I'm probably gonna change it to my Gacha Club character OC thing. And yeah, I'll just be doing most of my content Lizzie, kind of similar to this channel, except I'm gonna be doing Gacha vids also. So yeah, that's what my content is gonna be, and yeah, I at least want to get to 100 subscribers, at least. Yeah, that's what I have to say right now. Lizzie, are you done?
And I've had like hot Cheeto poops.
Literally right as I asked you back.
Oh. How come we're doing stuff at the same time today?
I don't know.
Yes! Another prize? Wow. Claim, claim, claim. Yeah, Ma? Ma, not now. You good?
No. Ah, my pain, pure pain. I'm so dramatic. Oh my gosh. And but yeah, I don't know if you guys could hear me say all of that I just said. Probably not, but hopefully you did, because it's very important information about.
I think I should get Discord. I think I should get Discord on my laptop and we could call on that. So they can actually hear you. So you're basically just talking to yourself the whole time, Alyssa. And I think I'm in a trading server. Ako ni Gorbo.
And my name is not Alyssa. Stop calling me Alyssa.
Alright. Okay.
Why do you keep calling me
Okay, guys. Oh my lord. This isn't that big of a trading server, but I guess it's okay. I mean, the rarest thing I see here is a diamond unicorn, I think. Not really. Not really. Sorry. I mean, there's. I mean, not a diamond unicorn. It's a golden unicorn. If it was a diamond unicorn, I'd be screaming right now. Even though I don't like the unicorns, that's still one of the rarest pets. True. Sorry. Huh? No offense about what? Alright, that's true. I mean, see, it's not that big of a trading server. It's okay trading server. But like, I don't know.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting tackled.
Oh my lord.
I'm playing Roblox.
Give me your dragon. Dragon, mine. No, give me. Give me the golden dragon. I want it. I want the. They decline. Rip. Wow.
There's literally 3 full-grown kitsunes in one team, and the team is right above.
Why? Accept. Accept.
Yes.
You like neon owls?
No, I just keep seeing people with bad dragons.
Here, let me see what people would offer for a ride potion.
I'm gonna see what people offer. So let me just get.
Who wants a ride potion?
Kind of. I think it's kind of laggy. Okay, guys, I need to do my intro, so I'm just gonna put it right now. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Oh, a neon fly ride. I mean, not really. No thanks. No, they declined. No. No. No.
She's right here.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. 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 Oh, fly ride uni for wait, let me put away my here, let me put away my evil uni real quick.
I'm not even trading you. Why are you telling me to add?
Trading trading ride potion. A ginger cat, a koala, and 2 monkeys. No, thank you, sorry.
If you were to trade me an albino monkey for my kid soon, I would honestly accept. There's an albino monkey right there.
Offer.
But where's its owner?
Right there. Oh, it's an Arctic reindeer. Alyssa, it's an Arctic reindeer. It's an Arctic reindeer. Rip. Rip. I'm trying to get like a kangaroo out of this stride potion. Trading our potion. Looking for a normal kangaroo.
Is she AFK? She just walked away from me.
What will she what would she? Let me see what she'll offer for a ride potion. B. I'm sorry, I don't want that.
Cat, trading neon black cat, trading neon black. Would you just stop?
Can you stop spamming, please? You're hurting my.
I can't off. No, my iPad's full. That's why it stopped recording.
Oh, rip.
I need to get me a new Roblox. I need to figure out my password for this account so I can get it on my computer and then play on my computer.
A fly Shiba Inu, sorry.
You must stop. Please, I'm begging. Oh,
Trading our potion for any legendary. No griffin.
A mega neon for my kids soon. It's a mannequin now. Mega neon. No, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna trade, but then also take care of my kids at the same time. Does that make
Any
sense?
legendary.
I got every single pin, by the way.
Huh? Nice. Wait, it's a candy cannon. Candy cannon.
Where?
Teleport to me. Teleport to me. That dude. The noob. The noob. 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 Let me offer woman. Or sir. I don't know. I'll offer all my pets. I'll offer. Please, 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 I'm spamming you with trade requests for a reason. Please. 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 I think. Please. Oh, he accepted one. I'll offer you that. That. No, he declined. He declined my evil uni and a lot of ad. No.
I wasn't done.
She's offering me a cow. A ride. Sorry, ma'am. I don't want your stuff.
Oh, maybe this girl would offer me her neon kitsune for my pockets.
I don't think so.
Probably not. It's just a newborn, so.
Guess so.
And I have 3. Oh, it's Fly. Oh, yeah, she's not nice. So. She's not gonna accept. She just scammed. Why?
Trading a our potion
That was under. I'm sorry.
for an
That's under it. Okay.
for any legendary nor legendary.
Do people like toucans?
I guess a ride kangaroo for a ride potion. I mean, I would do that. I mean, would you do that? No, they declined. I'm sad. A kitsune. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't want it. I'm sorry. I don't want it. You know what?
What did I just do? Why are you giving What did Miss Kenny just say?
Oh, nothing.
Was she like a million times?
Yeah, she was, and then I told her that uh, that you were dead.
You actually said that?
No, 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 no. Why would I say that?
You're awesome.
Mm, what are you talking about? Ugh,
You're full.
I'm
Ow,
dying.
my ear.
I'm dying. I'm
Oh
dying.
my gosh,
I want. Ooh, ooh.
my poor
For any normal legendary pets.
runs. Shut up, KJ!
I'm sorry, I can't accept that, even though I do love Aussie eggs. And I want more Aussie eggs, and I love kitsunes, and I am Rat Queen. I'm sorry.
I'm in a tree house.
Pets, except for
I can almost get my big
Griffin
apartment back.
or Kitsune. Please, no Griffin or Kitsune. Me no want Griffin or Kitsune. Me no want Griffin or Kitsune. Me no. Me no want. Me no want Griffin or Kitsune. Let's find another trading server. Let's find another trading server.
Wait. Make those voices again.
Me no want Griffin or Kitsune. Me no want. Is that you trying?
No, I tried to copy it.
I don't think he could do it.
I don't think you can do it. I'm not trying to do it, Oscar. I'm trying to say whatever you're saying.
No, why are you doing that? You're making me want to cry.
This is literally all I hear. In 2 words, pure earache. Oh my gosh, someone's out by a mosquito.
Me no want Griffin or Kitsune.
Ah, that, Ew.
We need to let out Burpsy. Gimme. 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 This is a trading server. I'm gonna find another one.
This girl wants to offer for my normal.
What if she off? What if she offers your dream pet? Would he scream?
Yes, I would.
Please don't. Me no want. Me no want. No. Me no want.
A newborn. Oh, yeah, that's under.
A newborn kitten?
I got some
A newborn what?
newborn kids.
Wow.
That's lacking.
Rip. I'm just hoping this is a trading server. Can I offer? Oh, there's a bat dragon
Where?
in this trading server thing, I think. I think this is a trading server, kind of. Can I offer for that bat dragon, ma'am? Ma'am, I want to offer for that bat dragon. Oh, a neon flyer-eyed king bee. Sorry, I'm making one of those. See, I'm making one of those. Don't want it. Sorry.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording. It's been like 37 minutes now.
I can't even record on that.
A frost dragon! Gimme! 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 Gimme it! Gimme! 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 Gimme it!
It's a princess.
She declined. I'm gonna shake the Sprite and hope it explodes everywhere.
Wait a second.
I eat poop,
Help me, no.
you eat poop. Oh my! A ride griffin. I'm sorry. It's a golden griffin.
Wow, I love Griffin.
It's a,
I definitely.
it's a golden. A neon fly ride unicorn and. Oh, darn it. I can't do it. Okay, guys, that was the end of the video. I'm sorry. Goodbye.